Are you ready to discover the secrets of the Pi network and start earning passive income every day? In this exclusive video, we'll reveal the truth about this mysterious platform. Is it legitimate or just a scam? You'll also learn step-by-step how to set up your account and start making money today. Plus, we'll make a bold prediction about the future value of the Pi coin. Don't miss this opportunity to learn how to maximize your earnings. Be sure to watch this video till the end so you don't miss anything. Let's get started. Over the years, blockchain innovation has reached new heights, with the mining process becoming easier and less time-consuming. The Pi cryptocurrency is a crypto initiative that claims to provide users with a new currency with all the advantages of Bitcoin while avoiding its pitfalls. However, Pi has no value at the time of this recording. It cannot be sold on any exchange. It does not yet exist on a live blockchain. It has no wallet. It's mined by people signing into the Pi app from their phones and tapping a button. Given such enigmatic characteristics, it's no surprise that many curious parties are left asking, what is Pi cryptocurrency? The Pi network was established by Stanford University academics Nicholas Kokkalis and Cheng Diao Fan. They started working on it in 2018 to create digital money for everyone. On 14 March 2019, they published a white paper and released the Pi network app. The project promises to be environmentally sustainable, which might help attract climate-conscious investors. It may be especially effective since the crypto market has often been reprimanded for its substantial energy consumption due to energy-intensive procedures like proof of work, which degrades the environment. The Pi network app is used to mine Pi, and the mining procedure needs users to hit a button on their phone every 24 hours. Pi mining is technically not crypto mining since no mining has taken place. Users are not confirming transactions at this time, at least not yet. In actuality, individuals get Pi tokens for accessing the application once per day and demonstrating that they are not a robot. Users must get an invitation code from a member to join the app. Pi Network has a referral system in which users earn extra money dependent on how many others register using their invitation code. Now, we are going to tell you how to install the Pi Network app on your mobile and start earning income every day. But before that, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more videos like this. We consistently upload interesting content daily. So, how to install the Pi Network app on your mobile for mining? First, you need to go to the Weather App Store or Play Store, depending on what type of phone and nose you are using. So you go into App Store on your phone. Then you go to search for a Pi Network. You will just install it. We'll wait for a few seconds for the app to install. The next step is to open the app. So you have two ways of basically registering into the app. One is with your Facebook and the other one with a phone number. So go and use any of them to sign up for the country you select. The country, your hand, and the phone number. Just enter it and you hit go. So next step, on that phone number, you should receive a text. When you receive the text message, you enter the verification code that you received. And you hit continue, all right? Now you need to set up your Pi Network account for mining. So at this stage, you have to enter your information. So we normally tell everyone to make sure to enter their legal information, first name and last name, because you know later on when you know you want to pull your money out, you know you want to withdraw in case, later on, apply if the Pi has a value. At that point, there might be a verification process. You have to ID and everything, so you know what's going to be at that point. After that, you just submit it. At this stage, Pi Network works by invitation. So if you don't have an invitation code or username, you wouldn't continue. So you can use your friend, brother, or any other referral code. What that does for you is it creates a link between your account and who refers you. And basically, that's how the Pi Network works, right? It's based on building connections and relationships between multiple accounts. So you submit that invitation code, and there you go, now you're in. You just hit get started. Now, to earn Pi, every 24 hours, you need to click on the little blue icon. It's telling you that the system is generating Pi. You can see at the top generating the Pi that you currently have. The Pi coin is anticipated to launch its mainnet soon, which is a key milestone for its listing on decentralized exchanges. Many experts believe that the Pi coin will be listed on several decentralized exchanges by the second half of this year, allowing traders and holders to sell their coins for cash. However, it is difficult to predict what the price of the Pi coin will be when it begins trading this year. To make a general prediction for the Pi coin price in 2023, we will consider several factors that influence the value of cryptocurrencies. The first factor is supply and demand. When there's an excess supply of a currency, whether it is fiat or cryptocurrency, the price tends to decrease. Therefore, if the supply of Pi coins is in the billions at the time of its launch, it is likely that the price will be relatively low, perhaps worth only pennies. The second factor is the long-term usability of the coin. Many cryptocurrencies are designed to solve real-world problems, and this can increase their adoption and value. For example, Ethereum aims to decentralize the financial industry. On the other hand, some cryptocurrencies like Shiba, Inu, and Dogecoin were created as jokes and have no real purpose, so they rely on influencers and high-profile people to promote them in order to drive up their prices. It is not yet clear whether people will adopt the Pi coin for its intended purposes. The third factor is the interaction between the first two factors, specifically how the supply and demand and the usability of the coin affect people's willingness to invest in it. For example, a cryptocurrency with high usability may not launch at a high price due to a lack of demand or an excess supply. Taking all of these factors into account, our prediction for the Pi coin price in 2023 is that it will launch below $1, possibly between 2 cents and 5 cents. Based on the implementation of technologies such as the Pi network's use of the Stellar Consensus Protocol and the large number of users already utilizing the coin, we also anticipate that the Pi coin will be bullish from 2023 to 2025 and trading above $1 by that time. However, it is difficult to make a prediction for the Pi coin price in 2030 since it has not yet begun trading. Our conservative estimate is that the coin will be worth around $5 in 2030, but it is unlikely to be worth more than that due to the halving cycles that will make it harder to mine new Pi coins. Now, one of the questions that come up a lot by investors looking to invest in Pi coin is whether the crypto is a scam. To be fair, it is a very genuine question that needs to be asked because, unlike other cryptocurrencies, Pi coin is currently not exchangeable anywhere. There is also the question of why the project has been delayed so much before getting launched on exchanges. Today, many investors of the Pi coin have no tangible benefits, and the value attached to the crypto is more speculative than objective. However, based on our observation of the project, we believe that Pi coin is a genuine project. This is because creators have already promised to release it in decentralized markets by this year. The project also has one of the biggest communities today. Its creators have never shied away from answering these community members, indicating a willingness to move the project forward. In its short years of existence, the project has also not displayed signs of being a scam. This is an indication that the Pi coin is a genuine project. Now, do you think this project can be as successful as expected? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comments section below. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider giving it a like and sharing it with your friends. If you're new to our channel and found us through this video, we'd love to have you as a subscriber. Make sure to hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our future content. Till next time, goodbye.